This is what happened to the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. How much time have we got?
So far we've been lucky. If you look at the history of life on the Earth, the average lifetime of a species, just a few million years. Human beings have been around for a few million years. That doesn't bode well for the future of the existence of human beings on the Earth.
We last passed through the danger zone 1 million years ago, but that doesn't mean we're safe yet. Because 1 million years is how long it takes for comets to make their way into our solar system. And in July 1994, one smashed straight into Jupiter, drawn in by its immense gravity. These blurred photographs reveal a colossal explosion. It covered an area bigger than our entire planet. If Jupiter hadn't intercepted that comet, if it had hit the Earth instead, it could have been the end of us. I told you we were lucky. And it's not just that Jupiter saved us 6 years ago, it has saved us thousands of times. It's been doing so since the dawn of our solar system. Without Jupiter, life on Earth would never even have got started. Remember all those asteroids in the early solar system? Back then, there were so many of them flying around that life couldn't even get started. What changed that was Jupiter. Its powerful gravity sucks in anything that comes too close. You're watching at 1 million years per second. Jupiter made life on Earth possible. It drew the asteroids' fire and shielded our planet. It's still catching asteroids today. But unfortunately for us, the number of asteroids out there is all but limitless. Sooner or later, our luck will run out, just as it did for the dinosaurs. Jupiter can't catch them all, and one is all it takes. This one, for example. The question is, what on earth are we going to do about it? It seems we have a problem. This asteroid is huge, 50 kilometers across, 100 billion tons of rock surrounded by clouds of dust and debris. It's traveling at 40 kilometers a second, and it's heading straight towards Earth. So what are we going to do about it? The American military are on alert. The man who runs Earth's asteroid detection system is Sergeant Rob Medrano.
Today, comets and asteroids do represent the most significant threat that we have from space. Now, they do impact the Earth routinely, but Mostly we're talking objects that are very small. What we're concerned about are those objects that actually penetrate the Earth's atmosphere in a large form. And with that in mind, on average, we're discovering about 4 a month.
The asteroid passes Mars. It is now only 45 days from the Earth. Already time is running out for us all. Detecting the threat is not enough. The point is to do something about it.
There are several possibilities. One is to send a rocket up with a nuclear device and blow it to pieces. Another possibility is to put chemical rockets on the object and literally try to shove it out of the way. This all requires that we have enough lead time to be able to mount some kind of a major project like this and do something about it.
There are really two possibilities for human beings to survive far into the future. One is some kind of planetary protection. The other is insurance, moving off of this planet onto other planets. So if there are catastrophes on this individual planet, it wouldn't wipe out human beings entirely.
The potential still exists for an asteroid to impact the Earth that would essentially wipe out life as we know it. In terms of defending ourselves today, predicting where the asteroid is going to actually impact, that's really all that we have.
So far, we have survived. But what about the future? To safeguard that, we should be acting now.
One day our planet's luck will run out. It's simply a matter of time. We must develop the technology to defend ourselves. Because if we're not prepared, the odds are that one day
one day, the human race may cease to exist.